You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly, British English and American English pronunciations, because they are a bit different. This is famous for being a surname, but it's also the name of a software, antivirus in particular. So British English, the way it's pronounced in the UK, is as Norton, Norton, Norton. Now, the Americans say it slightly differently as Norton, or even Norton. Often American English pronunciation, Norton, or Norton, or Norton, or Norton. British English pronunciation, Norton. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.